Practice set 4.1 का question 4. This question is depend on direct proportion and inverse proportion. Problem is three person can be build a small house. Three person can be build a small house in 8 days. To build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? First, number of person and number of days required. Number of days required. Three persons can build a small house in 8 days. Then, to build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? Here we consider X persons are required to build the same house in 6 days. Three person build a small house in 8 days. Then to build the same house in 6 days, how many persons are required? That is, we consider here X person. X persons are required. If three person build the small house in 8 days, then to build the same house in 6 days, more persons are required. Therefore, this is the problem of inverse variation. Therefore, this is the problem of inverse proportion. In inverse proportion, the product of number of days and number of person is constant. In inverse proportion, the product of number of person and number of days is constant. Therefore, 3 into 8 is equal to x into 6. Therefore, x equal to 3 into 8 upon 6. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. Therefore, x equal to 4. X equal to 4 person. Therefore, 4 persons are required to build the same house. Therefore, 4 persons are required to build the same house in 6 days. Practice set 4.2. First question. Using property A upon B is equal to AK upon BK. Fill in the blank suitable number. K is constant. First, 5 by 7 is equal to upon 28 is equal to 35 upon is equal to upon 3.5. By using A upon B equal to AK upon BK means 5 by 7 is equal to 28. 28 means 7 into 4, 20. 7 into 4, 20. Therefore, here 5 into 4. Here 5 into 4. Here 5 into 4. Now, here 35. 35 means 5 into 7. 5 into 7, 35. Therefore, 7 into 7. 7 into 7. And here 3.5 means 7 into 1 by 2. Half of 7 is 3.5. Therefore, here 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 2 means 5 by 7 is equal to 20 upon 20 is equal to 35 upon 49 and 2.5 upon 3.5 2.5 upon 3.5 9 by 14 is equal to 4.5 upon blank space is equal to blank space upon 42 is equal to blank space upon 3.5. So 9 by 14 is equal to 4.5. 9 का अगर हाफ किया तो 4.5 होता है, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे भी 14 इंटू हाफ 14 इंटू हाफ इक्वल टू 42 है यहाँ पे, तो 42 में 40 इंटू 3 14 इंटू 3 देयरफॉर इन न्यूमरेटर 9 इंटू 3 9 इंटू 3 इज इक्वल टू 3.5 में 14 को अगर हम 1/4 से मल्टीप्लाई करते तो 3.5 आता है, इसलिए हमको यहाँ पे 9 इंटू 1/4 करना है, 9 इंटू 1/4। तो देखो अभी 9/40 इज इक्वल टू 9 का हाफ 4.5, तो 14 का हाफ 7, 14 का हाफ 7 इक्वल टू 14 into 3 42, therefore 9 into 3 27, 9 into 3 27 is equal to 14 into 1/4, so 3.5, 14 into 1/4 3.5, therefore 9 into 1/4, 4 to the 8 1, 4 to the 8 4 to the 8, तो 1 आया यहाँ पे, अगेन 0, 4 to the 8 2 means 2 0 20, 4 5 the 20, 4 5 the 20, therefore 2.25 2.25. Find the following ratio. First, ratio of the radius to the circumference of the circle. Let radius of the circle r and circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. Its ratio is equal to radius of the circle upon circumference of the circle, means r upon 2 pi r, r upon 2 pi r, r it cancel, 1 upon 2 pi, 1 upon 2 pi, that is 1 is to 2 pi, 1 is to 2 pi. Question 2, the ratio of the circumference of circle with radius r. The ratio of the circumference of the circle with radius r to its area its area. Solution: circumference of circle. Let circumference of circle 2 pi r and area of circle pi r square. Therefore its ratio is equal to 2 pi r upon pi r square. Pi get cancelled, r get cancelled, means 2 by r, that is 2 is to r. Diagonal of square equal to root 2 into side, and side is 7 centimeter, means root 2 into 7, and length of the side is 7. Therefore ratio of the diagonal of square upon length of the side of square equal to root 2 into 7 upon 7, means 7 gets cancelled, root 2 upon 1 or root 2 is to 1, Fourth example, the length of sides of rectangle. The length of sides of rectangle are 5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. 5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Find the ratio of its perimeter. Find the ratio of its perimeter to area. First, length equal to 5 centimeter and width equal to 3.5 centimeter. Area of rectangle length into breadth, means 5 into 3.5, that is 17.5 centimeter. And perimeter of rectangle that is twice L plus B, means 2 5 plus 3.5, means 2 into 8.5. Therefore perimeter equal to 17 centimeter. Perimeter equal to 17 centimeter. Now its ratio we have to find ratio perimeter to area, means P upon A. Perimeter 70 and area 17.5. Therefore both sides multiplying by 10, 170 upon 175. 170 upon 175. Dividing both sides by 5. 170 divided by 5 and 175 divided by 5. 5 is the 15 and 25 for the 20. 5 is the 15. 5 by the 25. Means ratio is 34 is to 35. 34 is to 35.